At Futraheat, we have developed heat pump technology designed to help industry reduce energy use and lower carbon emissions. Last year, Hepworth Brewery in West Sussex became the first in Britain to install our Greensteam 330 industrial heat pump. Results from this pilot show how the system is helping the brewery reduce its reliance on fossil fuels and use lower carbon electricity to cut their emissions and their costs. Today, many industrial sites use gas or oil-fired boilers to generate process heat. However, our electrically powered heat pumps are designed to recycle waste heat into high-temperature process steam, offering a potential low-carbon heating alternative. Our mission is to enable low-cost, low-carbon, high-temperature process steam generation to 200 degrees centigrade at the size and scale relevant to common manufacturing processes. We're working to achieve this using our fully patented turbochlor compressor, which operates without oil at comparatively low rotational speed. This design aims to reduce the size, complexity, and maintenance needs of industrial high-temperature heat pumps, and therefore address some of the challenges faced by conventional compressor types.
Machines can get complicated, the less moving parts the better, but also if you can get it to become oil-free, that's a major advantage. It's a big part of the cost of building a system is the oil system, and that I think is in the plans for Futraheat, and I think that's going to be a core advantage as well.
Process heat represents a significant share of energy use across industry. Many processes, including in chemicals, paper and food and beverage manufacturing, such as brewing, operate at temperatures in the 100 to 200 degree range, and these are the applications we're targeting.
For a brewery like this, we are burning a lot of fuel to create steam to do the heating for us. Steam is a good medium because it has good thermal transfer. However, to create that, it's superheated steam. We have to burn quite a lot of fuel oil, and we want to get that out of the brewery. And the Futraheat heat pump is taking the steam as it condenses back to steam that we can use with electrical energy, not fuel oil.
Having demonstrated our first Greensteam heat pump with turbochlor at its core, we are now engaging commercial partners. We've already received a letter of intent and first phase contract for joint product development with a global leader in industrial heating equipment, and are also in discussions exploring solutions to use waste heat from power generation and data centers. Your investment will support our 2026 rollout plan, focused on the commercial deployment of turbochlor-enabled heat pump solutions alongside global partners. Join us now and be part of the green heat revolution.